Of course. So you were an arch enemy of Gloria Arroyo, and one of the reasons alleged here in impeachment proceedings is that the Chief Justice should be removed because he is too close or too intimate with Gloria Arroyo. And yet you are saying now that you were an arch enemy politically of President Arroyo. Is that a fair summary of?
That's very accurate, Your Honor. It is not personal. It started, Your Honor, when the impeachment, when yung hindi po natapos yung impeachment, no, nag-walk out. I don't want to offend anyone, Your Honor, but I will state what.
Oh, feel free to offend me.
No.
If you want to.
No, Your Honor, what I'm trying to say is, ay, wag na ho, kasi nandito ho yung ibang mga nag-walk out nun eh.
All right, well, my next question.
Okay, I will apologize. No, this is a difference of opinion, but I hope my opinion is respected. No.
You notice, of course, that I'm trying to test your credibility.
Yes.
You testified that you
Yes.
attended this all-majority caucus.
No, ma'am, can I finish the?
It's not really necessary. Otherwise, the two of us will take too long.
Okay.
It will be unfair.
Okay.
To others. You said that you attended the majority caucus, and there you were already suspicious that you might not be able to reach a conclusion that would enable you to sign the impeachment complaint. You gave several reasons.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Did you do or say anything in that caucus to indicate that you disagreed with what they were planning to do?
Ma'am, Your Honor, we were not allowed to ask questions. Only two persons were able to make singit their questions, and that was Congressman Seth
Biason?
Biason and Congressman Rufus. After that, Congressman Mandana stood up. Actually, I was reading the rules because I wanted to stand up, but no one was allowed to ask questions, Your Honor.
Oh, so you're prohibited.
It was stated by the speaker, sabi ho niya, pagkatapos ng PowerPoint presentation, yung mga gustong pumirma, yung mga ayaw pumirma,
Alright.
bahala kayo, huwag kayong pumirma. Pero this is non-debatable, no
Yeah.
questions will be entertained, Your Honor.
All right. I was trying to see whether the rule of admission by silence applies to you. Since, under the rules of court, if you are present in something that you now denounce and you did not say or do anything, that is considered admission by silence. But now you are saying that does not apply to you because there was a rule or a policy that no questions would be entertained. Is that so?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Now, you have in fact, in the transcript that has just been distributed to us, you have in effect stated that you felt under threat to sign the complaint. You said so categorically.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now, I will read to you excerpts from RA number 3019, the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, Section 3, Corrupt Practices of Public Officers. The following shall constitute corrupt practices of any public officer and are hereby declared to be unlawful. Letter A, persuading, inducing, or influencing another public officer to perform an act constituting a violation of rules and regulations duly promulgated by competent authority. I'm referring, of course, to the rules of the House of Representatives on impeachment, which requires you to read the complaint and then sign it. So, since you are claiming that you felt that you were being pressured or that you were being threatened by what was said or done to you in your testimony yesterday, I would like to know whether you feel or you believe that what I have just read from the law applies to that situation you described.
Yes, Your Honor.
In that case, then, you are alleging that your fellow colleagues in the House were guilty of the corrupt practices as described by the paragraph I just read.
Not my colleagues, Your Honor, but those who spoke during the all-majority caucus, Your Honor.
All right. Not all of your colleagues, but at least some of them.
Those who spoke during,
All right.
those who threatened, I will correct my statement. Those who
Right.
threatened during the all-majority caucus.
All right. One last question. As you said, you felt pressured and you resented it because in my reading, your personality has always been one of independence. May I say fiery independence. Now, I will read to you the penal code, particularly on threats and coercion. Article 286, grave coercions, a certain penalty shall be imposed shall, by means of threats or intimidation, prevent another from doing something not prohibited by law or compel him to do something against his will, whether it be right or wrong. In general terms, do you feel that this paragraph I have just read applied to that situation?
Not only to the situation, Your Honor, even to the situation yesterday when the majority leader, when interviewed on Sunday, came out with statements that I will be expelled from Congress, Your Honor.
Mr. Witness, you will either end up a national hero in the eyes of the public or a heel or a traitor in the eyes of your colleagues in the House of Representatives. What your future status will be depends on subsequent developments and how the public take these developments. Thank you for answering these questions. I'm done with this witness, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Senator Judge Miriam Defensor Santiago.
Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, there being no other senator judges to propound questions.